Y'all, guess what happened today? Yes, we have officially crossed over the $100 threshold so that I can get my next YouTube check. Yay! Thank y'all so much for everything y'all did to help me reach this goal. I had a bunch of you all on the faith team ask me, how can I help? How can I help you get there? And I explained it in the comments for a few people, but I just wanted to share it with you here in case you were wondering. If you're ever in a situation where you want to help your favorite content creator reach this milestone, get over the $100 threshold, then there are three things that you can do. One, of course, you can watch their content and enjoy their ads because YouTubers get paid from AdSense. So if you enjoy the ads, we get paid a percentage of the ad revenue. Second thing you can do is support that content creator by doing super chats, which I received a few of those. Thank y'all so much. They are down below. There's a little heart with a dollar sign. You can give anything your heart desires to help support the channel and support that creator on their monetization journey. Because once you get monetized, you're still going to need the support to be able to actually receive the money, right? And then last but not least, you can also join that creator's membership. I have a membership down below. I actually have 3 members so far. So thank you guys so much, all of my members. I really appreciate each and every one of you. If you want to become a member, all you got to do is hit the join button down below and check out the tiers I have for memberships. It's all going to help that creator reach that $100 threshold because that is a monthly subscription that just helps to support them and pour into that content creator. So again, thank you guys so much for your support, your kindness, your love. Thank you for helping me to reach this milestone. It used to take me 5, 6, 7 months to reach $100 on YouTube. I've been a content creator on YouTube for over 5 years. And so lately it's been taking me 2 to 3 months to reach it. So we're closing those gaps. I'm really grateful to be able to continue to pour into you guys as you continue to pour into me and my channel on my journey. This is the faith team. We have faith and we are just continuing to pour into ourselves and help each other along the way while giving God the glory all at the same time, right? If that's interesting to you, definitely feel free to subscribe to the channel. Comment down below teamwork. Let us know that you're willing to support one another. In the meantime, I'm Tierra B, and that's me naturally. Blessings!
Tierra B, that's me naturally. The Lord is my guide. Tierra B, that's me naturally. But I'm nothing without God. Tierra B, that's me naturally. The Lord is my guide. Tierra